So, friends, festive season is starting, and my friends are looking for pocket friendly and effective treatment for instant skin glow. So, the answer is Salmon DNA Facial. No, it is not a fad, and celebs love it. It has got incredible healing power. It improves the skin texture and hydrates it and leads to a bouncy skin and glowing skin. It has got incredible healing power. It improves the skin texture and it repairs the skin, hydrates the skin, and makes the skin even tone and gives the instant glow. After the effect vibe is what people love the most. And one day of redness, and then people start asking, where did you get the glow from? Where can you get this? Of course, at Sai Cosmetics, your own clinic.